Hey teachers, have you ever found yourself wrestling with images while making a worksheet? Like they just won't sit where you want them? Or maybe you have avoided adding visuals altogether because it feels like too much hassle. Well, I have got good news. With just 3 simple tips, you will be able to manage images in Microsoft Word like a pro. Let's jump in and make those worksheets work for you, not against you. Okay, before even talking about adjusting images, here's a golden tip. If your worksheet is going to be photocopied, always search outline style clipart. These print beautifully and save ink. Now let's start with our first tip. Once you have selected and pasted the image you need, use the text wrapping tool to place it in front of text. You can access this in 2 ways. Click the little hanging button next to the image or go to the Picture Format tab, then to wrap text and then click in front of text. Tip number 2, crop like a pro. Got extra bits in your image you don't need? Just crop it. Think of it like trimming a sheet of paper. Click the image, go to the picture format, hit crop and drag the edges. This keeps your layout clean and focused. Tip number 3, make the background transparent. Select the image, go to picture format, click color, scroll down to set transparent color. Your cursor will turn into a magic wand. And you just click on the white or background area you want to remove. Boom! Clean, professional look. This final tip is super helpful if you're looking to make your images blend like a PNG or to adjust the images in a table format. So there you go. 3 simple tips that make a big difference. From now on, I hope adjusting images feels easy breezy and you can create worksheets that look great and print even better. Happy designing and may your clip arts always behave.